Now, when they say that you should use your senses, when they say you should actually carry your brain alongside with your heart in a relationship, people would think probably that people that are talking like us, we are heartless, we don't have human feelings. But then it is common sense. Imagine she slept with a CEO to get her boyfriend a job.
Okay.
And the boyfriend got a job, start making it was stable, got an apartment, got a car, and the same week he got married to another person. Now she's crying that he dumped her. Now the reason the guy gave was that the lady is the only educated person in the family. So the responsibility, yes, so the responsibility will be too much for him when they get married.
Okay.
Just imagine. When they say carry your sense along in your relationship, people will not use sense to it.
Ladies, be wise.
They are not wise. They are the unwise
foolish. You went to sleep with
a
CEO for your boyfriend, not your husband. Even if it's your husband, is it right to go and sleep with somebody before somebody did not have job? We have a lot of job outside there. The bricklayer is there. Day job. Emumi is there.
Yes.
Outside there that you go and do.
Receptionist is the front desk officer, customer care relations.
You do it every day. Those work are there, but because of the pride, they don't want to do it. But you now went ahead. You slept with the CEO to get your boyfriend job, and he secured the job. He now married the following week. That means you yourself, you don't have brain, because I know that you are jobless. You don't have job, because if you are working, you will not leave your working place to go and sleep with somebody
because you want to make your boyfriend happy. How are you sure you will get married together?
Now he has dropped you. He's married. The girl will now be enjoying while you will be sad.
Single. You are lonely.
You are crying.
Single.
It's not done. We talk about this week. I think so.
Was it last week?
I think this week. With the one that went to borrow money and sent that one. Is it not the same thing that we are saying now? Please be wise. Don't be a foolish. Build yourself up. Know what you are doing. Can you borrow somebody? You slept with somebody for someone to be happy, and now he's happy over happy because he's married.
Now you are the unhappy person.
Where's
the sense in what you just did now? I'm sure your friends would have advised you, but you say no, it's love. Now the Afori, now where has it led you to?
And now he's telling you that you are the only one that is educated in your family, that your family is liability to him if he marry you. Can you hear yourself? Can you see your life outside?
The guy carried you on his shoulder. Now you are still like this.
You drop.
But you on the head.
You now use something to hold him very well.
You put your own bag on the floor. You carry your boyfriend on the head. Now, where has it gotten you? No, where has it gotten you? If we keep telling people, will say we don't know what love is. Well, Mr. Love and Mrs. Love, we don't know what love is. But then always use your senses.
Love is good.
Yes, it is.
But
it is very
love
sweet.
Has, you need wisdom.
Yes.
To go along with love. You can't be foolish and say you love.
Yes.
Sorry.
Even the Bible does not encourage that. You have to be wise. You have to be a wise woman. If you are wise, your love will be sweet. Your brain will discern what is right and wrong. You don't have to sleep with anybody. You can actually talk to few persons.
And then we get him job.
And if he's the kind of person that is very covetous, that is not content, that you want a very big job with a very big money, then you move to the front, you move. You look for somebody who can actually take anything. Everything start from the scratch. People that are having money now, all those big people, they started from somewhere. Not that the money just appeared in their room all of a sudden.
Even if the CEO should tell you the story before he became CEO, you will know that he has done maybe Gateman job before.
All these hard jobs.
Now, he's CEO. You now went to sleep. You slept.
I'm sure the CEO will ask you 1,000,001 times that, are you sure this boy loves you? You will let's do what we want to do. Let's do and
because if he love you, he will not ask you to go and look for. Is it your father that owns the company that say you go and get the work?
I'm sure the boyfriend did not ask her to go and sleep with him.
It's possible.
I'm sure she's the one that.
For him to say you should look for work for me, that means he knows that father Abi your daddy is the owner of the company, or your mommy is CEO of one company. How can he be asking you to go and is the man that's supposed to be look for work for a lady, not the lady.
Otherwise, even it's wrong for a married woman to say she's trying to sleep with her boss to get her husband in a certain place. No, it is wrong. It is wrong. You can actually talk to people. If you talk to them and they are not forthcoming, use your mouth to pray. Use prayers to back it up. Everything will work together. Now you slept with the CEO. Now the boyfriend has dumped you. Now you are single. You are alone. You are crying. You are heartbroken.
She will get it later. When she come back to this life, her brain will be useful.
Now,
the brain that she has, she's using it to decorate her body.
But not doing like it will not be difficult for other guys to actually trust her if you're actually in another relationship.
That's another thing, because they will be thinking that the same thing that she may want to be wise because it has happened to her.
Okay, she wants to use her brain
because she will be maltreating others now.
Okay, transfer of aggression.
She will maltreat the next one that is coming to her life.
We are not saying that you should not do things for your boyfriend, but let it has limits. Don't place your boyfriend's happiness over yours. Let your happiness be the front. Be unapologetic about everything you do. Don't say because I am my boyfriend. Who told you that you are going to end up together?
Boyfriend.
Who gave you the assurance that you are going to end up together? That you'll be overly doing things. You'll be doing unspeakable things that even your mother did not even do for your father. Like I'm very, very sure of that. But you say we are in the jet age. Mommy, no. If you don't do this for a guy, he will leave you. Let him leave you.
Another man is
yes, let him leave you. If he leaves you, that means he doesn't love you. Let him leave. If he leaves you, somebody that will not leave you will come to you. Don't do what your parents did not do for love. We are not saying love is not sweet. Love is the most beautiful
we
thing.
Enjoy it when the two are doing it together. But
not
it's
just
only one
one-sided.
person that is working. Sorry.
I'm sure the man has been giving the lady signs that he will not marry her. But because she wants to win the heart, that's why she went ahead to go and sleep with the CEO. Now he has left you. You are lonely. You are not saying do things moderately. Moderately. If you do things moderately, the guy will even love you more and even leave you and say, don't worry, I will do the rest for you. Just sit down. You've tried. No, you are really not be doing things because it's not love, or it is
Lost.
It's not even lost. It's stupidity. It's not love. It's not love. It's just you being dumb. You being I don't know. But then try as much as possible to be moderate in all things. You are not saying you should love will do wedding. But do everything.
Love. Enjoy your life with your
enjoy your relationship.
Enjoy everything, but don't be foolish.
Yes, be wise and be unapologetic about anything.
Yes.
Place your happiness over your boyfriend's happiness. If you place your happiness over his anytime.
Yes.
Before he thinks of your happiness, he will think of his first.
Yes.
If his happiness aligns with yours, he will be happy. But if he does not, trust me, there is nothing you can do. There is nothing you can do about it. Nothing. So place your happiness over your own. And don't be sorry about it. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the page. See you again on the next episode.